guys, it's Jen from SS Designs Couture. Today I wanted to come on real quickly and show you this beautiful pillow that I made. I decided to use a silver light silk pillowcase cover that I had, and I used the We Did It Together transfer. I am so in love with every piece of this transfer. It actually has 4 or 5 different pieces. This is just 2 out of them, and it's so stunning, and it came out beautiful on this pillow. So after I get my transfer all lined up, I'm going to use eucalyptus ink, and I'm going to go ahead and cover that silk screen just as I would with my paste. The main thing to remember when you are using ink is to make sure that you have a piece of cardboard or an ink mat in between your 2 layers, because ink has a tendency to bleed through. So you do want something protecting the backside of your t-shirt or your pillow or whatever you're using. I just want to give a shout out to this beautiful eucalyptus color. I fell right in love with it. I went out and I bought the paste. So you will see that in a lot of my upcoming videos. Now, isn't this so extremely gorgeous? It's a little bit backwards because of the camera angle, but you can see in this shot that it is completely crisp and smooth. And this happens for everybody, guys. This is the magical power of our transfers. So there it is. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave some love below and let me know what you guys thought. Subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye.